Hi, my name is Andrea McDonald. I'm a dietetic intern as well as a graduate student here at Sam Houston State University. And today I'll be teaching you how to make pho friendly for dorms, and it's also low sodium. So let's get started. Today we have black beans, and that's about around a half a cup of black beans. You can adjust all of the ingredients to your preference. We also have salsa, that's optional as well to add a little spice and flavor. We have carrots, about a half a cup, green beans, corn, and we have some mixed bell peppers and onions right here. And we also have the ramen, and we also have water to cook the ramen. Okay, now we're going to get started with cooking the ramen. So what you want to do is just open your pack of ramen. Put the seasoning to the side. Put the noodles in the bowl. And you're going to take water and fill the bowl midway with the water. So right now the ramen just finished cooking, so I'm just separating the noodles and distributing it around the bowl evenly. Seasoning that was in the pack of ramen, and open it and put it in the noodles like so. Only put half or to what you prefer, but don't want to put too much. So watch out for that sodium. So then we're going to just mix the seasoning around. So now we're going to move on to putting our vegetables and assembling our vegetables in our pho. So we're going to start with the black beans. You're going to get how much ever black beans you want. I like black beans, so I'm going to go a little heavy on the black beans. And these also have jalapenos in there for an extra kick of spice. Okay. And now we have the carrots. And you can choose whichever vegetables you like to put in here. Okay. Now I'm adding the green beans. And all of these vegetables came from the food pantry here at Sam Houston. And now the corn. And this meal is very rich in fiber and protein. And this is where you can add your fresh garnish if you want to add bean sprouts, parsley, jalapenos. I have some fresh bell peppers, onions, and that's it. So I'm just going to incorporate that evenly throughout my dish. Alright, there you have it. This is pho, dorm friendly, college friendly. All of these ingredients you can find at the Sam Houston State University Food Pantry.